Bayside Community will be Toronto's next great neighborhood that begins at the water's edge.
This will become one of Toronto's most sought-after waterfront communities by Tridel and Hines, with the first condominium to be launched this year, Aquilina Bayside. Approximately 13 acres of land located at Lower Sherbourne and Queens Quay will consist of residential, commercial, and retail space, along with a 13-meter zone promenade for cyclists and pedestrians. Continuous access to the waterfront, LRT, bicycle paths, public transit, and more. This Bayside community will help create 1,700 homes and office space for 2,400 jobs, paving way to several retail stores, restaurants, cultural, and entertainment venues. Aquilina Condominium will be one of 6 condominiums to be launched in this $1.1 billion redevelopment. Aquilina will sit on the water's edge with spectacular views of the waterfront. It will include 363 units, an outstanding array of amenities, topped with a rooftop infinity pool, sun deck, and lounge. Aquilina will also have their signature collection of suites and penthouses that will be housed in a shimmering glass cube closest to the water. Not only will this community give you access to everything within walking distance, you are not far from Sugar Beach, CN Tower, the new aquarium, Toronto's 3 major sports franchises, the Distillery and Financial District, Porter Airport, Union Station, and just minutes from the heart of downtown.
For VIP Platinum access to these 6 new condos at Bayside, register now. This is the place to live, to work, to shop, to visit.